white goose, blue and gold macaw, and we have a hummingbird. Wow, today we have so many birds in this tray. Amazing birds. And we also have one here that's wrapped up. We need to unwrap it and see what's inside. Here we go. What could it be? What amazing bird could this be? It's a flower, and there's something else. The yellow hummingbird is a tiny superstar. It beats its wings up to 80 times per second, making it a blur of colors as it sips nectar from flowers. It's also a master of hovering in mid-air. Wow, look at this stunning bird. Whoa, hello everyone. Now we need to find a bird. There's a bird in these trees somewhere. Whoa, look over here. Let's put the trees back to look. We have to unwrap this. I think there's a bird inside this paper. What could it be? What feathery white geese are majestic birds. They're excellent parents, taking turns incubating eggs and caring for their goslings. In flight, they form a V formation to conserve energy and stay safe. They're also great navigators, migrating thousands of miles each year. Let's discover the wonder of our feathered friends, one delightful moment at a time. Check out these birds. Let's open it up and find out what bird species this is. The blue and gold macaw is a stunning parrot. Its bright feathers make it a popular pet, but it's also known for its loud, playful squawk. These birds are social and love to interact with their owners. This is a nice, relaxing bird haven. Check out these birds.